going on, everybody? It's your boy Nomus J, man, coming at y'all. I got a special video for y'all today, man. This is dedicated to DAOUTSIDERS 2.0. Shout out to him. He came into my comment section in my last video, talking about a guy that he really liked it, that can really shoot the basketball by the name of Mychal Mulder. He was undrafted 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 2017, undrafted from out of Kentucky. And let me just say it like this, man. From what I can see on film, he's a kind of a combo guard. He can really penetrate the to the basket, man. He can lay out the ball. He can even dunk the basketball. The guy, a lot of people are buzzing over him already. It's been a short amount of time. He's 25 years old right now, so it seems like he's a little bit older than what you would want to expect from a guy who really hasn't had too much NBA experience, who's been bouncing around the G League for about a couple years. But the guy is getting oddly some weird comparisons to Steph Curry. 6'4", 6'5", long, winky arm Steph Curry. I can almost see why people are saying that this guy can shoot the basketball, man. His career high he just reached on the 3rd of this month was 17 points. But man, the distance he was shooting from, the way he was shooting, I mean, just the confidence, man. This guy can really shoot the basket, and that's what Dose was telling me way earlier today, man. He said the guy can shoot the basketball, and I gotta say, it lives up. But the guy can really lay out the ball, like the way he can lay out the basketball, man. It almost also reminds me of Steph Curry in that kind of way. He has a weird way of spelling his name, Mychal Mulder. I know, again, he doesn't. And to me, he's not. I don't really see the knock on him. I don't really see the passing style of him. Like, I don't really see where he's really like a major passer. He seems more of a constant scoring type of guy. I don't know. Maybe he can get better at that. Like I said, he hasn't really been played against NBA talent to really get the opportunity to learn new things. Not to make an excuse for him, but he is a heck of a rebounder. The guy is very aggressive on rebounding basketball. And anybody who knows me when it comes to basketball, I love anybody who can rebound the basketball. I don't care what position you play, you can rebound the basketball. You got a special place in my heart, man, because rebounds, man, give you opportunities to take control and play on offense, to score. It just creates more opportunity when you can rebound. More rebounders on the team, man, to me, the better. And the thing with him, man, he's good at that. He can be very pushy on defense, too. Guy can get you a steal, can use with those long arms, can block. He's nearly 200 pounds. Yeah, like I said, he came out of nowhere, man. Y'all can even go look at the highlights of what this guy is doing. There's not too much out there on him. You can have to go look up a lot of G League stuff he's done. In the G League, of course, he's scoring 30 points. So, in the NBA, that usually go translate to about 15, 16, 17 points like it is. But for some reason, man, this guy has the same amount of potential, man. The guy plays with a strong presence, man. He has that foot as a point guard that I like, man. I know that's a weird term. I'm gonna try to break down to y'all on the next episode Above the Rim. But my thing is, if the Pistons could acquire him in the offseason, because he's on a 10-day contract, if the Pistons, let's say, go into the offseason and he's there, and Golden State says, nice, we had fun with him, we don't necessarily need him, but should the Pistons make a move for him? I'm going to say, yeah, give it a shot. I know we had Derek Walton Jr. and Kyrie Thomas and even Jordan Bone, for that matter, and of course Derrick Rose, guys who are going to be battling for the starting point guard position. But and I know people saying we should go in the draft and get a point guard, but I still got my heart set on Udoka right now, and I'll be making a video about him soon. He just dropped 30, against TCU. That's the first player to do that in the Big 12 since Kevin Durant, by the way. So I'll be definitely making a video on Udoka. But anyway, my thing is, this guy, if he can shoot the basketball like this, and he's just coming out the G League and only 25 years old, I mean, the sky's the limit. I mean, with a real opportunity, man, to get infused with a starting lineup, I think he could make a team, man. Do y'all think, if he's there in free agency, where we can pick him up, do you guys think the Pistons could swindle him to come over here and then test him out, at least to help push the guys we have? Whether we do draft a point guard or not, should we even make a move for this guy? Let me know in the comment section too, man, what y'all know about him, man. This guy, like I said, he's intrigued me a little bit ever since Dose told me about him. The guy does, again, play with a very strong presence. I like the size in him, man. I like the gut to shoot the basketball. Y'all know that. Being aggressive on shooting, man. This guy can really shoot. So you think this guy could be worth looking at? You know what I mean? Because I know there's other guys you can think of. They're like low to mid tier type of guys that we should probably maybe target. But I'm just saying, man, for a young guy who really hasn't had too much NBA experience, if he's there in free agency somehow, or which I doubt, because Golden State might bring him back and keep him as another depth guy, should the Pistons try to make a move? Leave in the comment section, man. It's your boy Nomus J. I'm out, man. Later.